My last video, I went up in the woods and I looked for some logs to do some power carving. And in this video, I am gonna go over things that I've picked up to do the power carving. Everything that I've got is pretty low cost except for one item here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go over is this is basically it's like a chainsaw chain on a wheel for carving out wood. I was going to get this at Harbor Freight, but they were out when I went, so I got this online. It was, I believe it was like $22 or something like that. So I got that. I got a bunch of these flat disc sanders. Got some at Harbor Freight for like $4 a piece, and then some at Lowe's that were like $5 or $6 a piece. And I got different grits, 120, 60, 80, 40. That's a pretty aggressive one. 80. And then 60. So I got a little bit of a selection for the sanding discs. And then I have this carbide cup wheel. I got this at Harbor Freight. I'm gonna give this a try. I've seen a few people who've used it and they said it works pretty good, so I'm gonna give that a shot. This was about 10 bucks at Harbor Freight. And they say it lasts quite a while, so we'll see. This right here, this it's a shaping disc. It's from Kutzall. This is the extreme one, so it's supposed to be more aggressive than others that they have. So I'm going to give that a try and see what I can do. Okay, so that's everything that I have so far. I think this is going to be a good start to get me going and see how it works out. The next thing I need, my next video on the power carving, is going to be I need some kind of a vise or something to hold the wood while I carve. And what I'm thinking is I want something that will spin and also that will tilt. So I have an idea of what I'm going to do. So my next video I'm going to build that, and then once I get that built, I got this stuff and I got the wood that I gathered up from the last video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in following along on this with me, and you'll get a notification when I post the next videos. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.